food items externally. The 500 billion US dollars, the 500 billion Kenya shillings we spend every year to import food into Kenya will only go down the day we produce that food in Kenya. That is the step we are making, and we have made a commitment as a government that we want to reduce imports by 50% in the next 5 years, and by 100% in 10 years, so that in 10 years, we will not be importing edible oil, we will not be importing sugar, we will not be importing maize or all the other food items. And if we are, we will be having a commensurate export of all the other products to cover up for any deficits in our foreign exchange. So we are having a whole of government approach in tackling the challenges that face our country. And it is that collective effort that you see us spend 3 days here to align our legislature so that they understand why we will be going to them with a certain budget structured in a certain way, because we have goals that we need to achieve, both as a government, but as a country as well.
One more. George Kieru from NTV, just a quick one. Kenya has received tenders worth 1.43 billion. Are you going to use all this amount for the buyback?
I have already told you that the amount we actually received as people who are interested in our Eurobond is not 1.4. It is actually $6 billion, $6.2 billion. But we chose to take $1.5 billion because that is the amount that we need at the moment to plug in and to reduce the exposure that we have as a country. It is our commitment that we are going to be prudent in any borrowing that we engage in as a government. And our overall strategy is to reduce our debt stock, enhance our local revenue raising measures, and to reduce our expenditure so that we live within our means. Okay? Thank you very much, good people, and have a good afternoon.